Hey, what's up YouTube? It's your boy ICH3 Tech coming back to you guys with a unboxing of, you see it, T-Mobile TVision. This is T-Mobile's new TV service like at&t, but it comes with the controller, or actually it comes with the controller in a box, but I bought an extra one because these controllers, if you have the app on your smart TV or your Google TV or your Fire Stick, you actually could use this remote control. You could purchase it and actually you could use it right onto your TV and run everything from here, especially use that Google Assistant. But when you actually set up the service, this is what the package you want to purchase if you don't have any of the smart TVs that run this app on the TVision. So let's get right into it and unbox these things. I'm not going to unbox this because it's pretty much the same as this one, so I'm going to leave this one separate in there. And got a guy that want to come into it. But you get, actually, let's get right into it. Now you get a box with just, you know, your TVision information right there. Let's see if I can get this to focus. So I can get that to focus there. It just say T-Mobile Vision streaming. The model. Get nothing on the side here, nothing on the side here. You just get your box with everything on it. Let me get this to shine on it. This is what comes in a box. You get your remote control, you get your streaming device, and then actually just tell you up here. You can get up to like 3 devices to stream off of. So I guess you get 2 device access, and you can use Google Play, YouTube, Android TV, and make more trademarks to Google. So this, you could use Android TV. So this is based off of Android TV. So you got an Android TV, you could download this TVision app here to do everything for you. But I'm gonna try to see if I can get that to focus for me, guys. Can't get that mug to focus. But it's just basically just saying the same thing, just saying same thing here, but streaming. We're gonna get right into it. You get the guide, quick start guide. Pretty much everything in the box you get. Just how you set up everything else, how you plug it up. It's pretty simple. It's just like using a Fire Stick. Set up the Wi-Fi. Let me get this to focus. I don't know where my there we go. This tells you all the steps to get it running. The remote control, all the power buttons and everything else like that. You know, you get in there. So this is just a quick start guide right here. You don't need any help, text. Alright. You get the little TVision box. It's an HDMI cord. A little port. Just like how using like a Chromecast or something like that. It's the same thing. Get this mug to focus for me. Give me a hard time to focus today. There we go. Yeah, this is giving me a hard time to focus today, but I guess it's not. It's acting up. So you pretty much got the TVision part there, and your HDMI port going to there. Get this mug to straighten out. My bad. Alright, so you get your micro USB port there, HDMI port right in there. Sorry, and it just basically say TVision. It actually is about big as my hand, and it look like you got a power button right here. Turn it on and off. Yeah, you do. So you have that. Let's put that to the side. Comes with your remote control, and a remote control like I said, it comes. You know, if you have actually AT&T TV, I could try to get the remote control to do a comparison on it. I'm going to be probably doing that, a comparison on it. I'm actually going to take a little video across, do a comparison on it. But it comes with, you know, I think it comes with batteries. Not 100% sure. But let's get this open. And it looked like you could just take AAA's batteries. It comes in, it should come with AAA batteries, but I'm pretty sure it's AAA batteries. So you have that, but you have pretty much the OK button, channel up and plus, you know, your plus up and down, that's, you know, your volume, arrow back, and your Google Assistant part, your buttons. Then up here where you got the guide, TV, DVR, Netflix, YouTube, input, power, and everything else. So this looks like you can use it from, you know, for your other parts in your house. So let's see what else it comes with. Actually, put that to the side. And actually do come with batteries. Do come with your batteries. You might want to put your newer batteries, because these will probably last a little bit. But it comes with a micro USB to A. Come with one of those to plug up for this here. And it comes with your power brick. Comes with a power brick, and you could probably see the milliamp. Let's see if we can get that to focus on your milliamp there. Get that to focus for you guys. It's usually focused pretty good for me, but it's actually being kind of not healthy today. Alright, there we go. Now it's starting to focus for me. I had to zoom in for you guys, but that's your milliamp for this charger. If you want to see what kind of charger it have. So now break there. And also comes with the HDMI. I just want to get back in there to focus on it. So there we go. So you can see what's going on. And a button on the side here, so you have it upside down here. Press it, get it started. I'm actually going to do a setup guide or how you set it up. So stay tuned for that. I'm actually just wanted to give you a quick unboxing of, you know, the TVision. What comes in a box? You get this whole package. I'm not for sure what the price is, but I'll leave a link below just to get you straight to TVision if you want to sign up to get the service. If you have T-Mobile, and now if you have Sprint, that you could get this service also. Actually, I want to test it out because I have AT&T TV, so I want to do a comparison compared to this and AT&T TV. So right now the pricing is much cheaper than AT&T to get some channels on here, but if it's giving me the same vibes as the AT&T TV, I might be changing to this because I do have T-Mobile service that I'm running. So I would like to have, you know, this running my whole service and plan come right off of this. Now, this is just a feature added onto your account, so I know that's something you probably could just get on your T-Mobile or your Sprint Legacy account. But basically, just quick, you know, just setting up this this unboxing on this is actually just amazing because like how small the form factor is, because my AT&T TV is like huge. I'm gonna do a comparison to that on the next video when I do a comparison between AT&T and TVision, which you get the difference out of a, you know, small little device than a big device where you got to plug in an Ethernet or whatever you want to do to get this started. So I also dropped a video of the T-Mobile Home internet, so you can actually bundle that together and have your little TV service right there, because actually it runs pretty good with gaming and everything else with that hotspot. We're using that T-Mobile Home, so I do have that. So you're gonna see me doing a lot of videos on that, a lot of videos on this, and also so on. So stay tuned like I said before, once we hit the 15 to 2,000 subscribers, right in between there, I am doing a giveaway for a new PS5 and a Xbox Series S. Stay tuned because I'm going to be doing more this year and next year for you guys. But I just wanted to give you a quick unboxing to see what you get in there. And stay tuned for the next video because it's going to be another one. This how you set up this TVision and what you have to do, and also with the app. Because on here, you basically have to download the TVision app, and you be good to go on that. So you just download the app on your Android or iPhone, and then you can watch your shows right from there. You log in the same login that you log in to get into your account on T-Mobile or at&t or Sprint. But I'm going to show how to set up the TVision T-Mobile home internet too. So that's one of the things I want to show you guys too, setting that up, is the internet. So stay tuned, like, comment, subscribe. Thank you for the channel. We are growing, we are getting bigger, we are doing more things for this year and next year. So stay tuned. I'm trying to drop a lot of videos for you guys. But thank you for watching. I just wanted to make this nice and quick. It's 11 minutes. But nice unboxing of the T-Mobile TVision TV services that I have, that I feel like it's a huge competitor to at&t TV. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you in our next video. More you want to see, leave a comment below, and we'll get right into it. Peace. Slap.